Hey girl, so I'm back again. My baby is just chilling right there. He's gonna be like, what is mama talking about again? So right now I'm going through this like container that I originally had bought and to put all my makeup in it. So I'm gonna definitely clean this out because it ended up just being my complete junk drawer. I have like so many like goodies and like things that I'm just like all mixed up into it, you know, like even my freaking retainer. My retainer's not even in here. My retainer is in my freaking car. I need to go get that and put that on my teeth. My Kim Kardashian perfume in here. I'm so disappointed in myself that I just had it thrown in here. It smells so good. If anyone's wondering like how this one smells, it does smell a little bit like inexpensive but expensive at the same time. I don't know like how to really describe it. Kind of like just like a Bath and Body Works spray, but like a perfume version. Kind of just makes me think of like floral, sweet, candy-ish. It's very yummy, and it definitely matches like the whole like candy theme because it for sure definitely smells like candy, and it's just so cute. And it has like this little back thing that you can just like set it on and kind of like just like lifts it up. So this, I don't know if I'm gonna put it in here. If I do, it's just gonna be right there. Okay, and then I just have like a whole bunch of makeup like this Anastasia, like I just need to throw that away because that is just junk. These random eyeshadows, I don't know what to do with it. Like, come on, like I don't know, maybe I'll set this aside and see if maybe like my cousins want it. I have like little perfumes in here. All these are perfumes. Some of these are empty, but I'm like, oh my gosh, some of these smell so good. You know, still debating on if I should actually buy it. Some MAC lipsticks. I think that's what I was like trying to do, like trying to put like all my lipsticks in here at first. So I'll definitely do that. These are like two of the same lip colors. It's not cute at all. I'll show you guys. They're both, it's like really bright pink, and I'm like, when am I ever gonna wear that? They're both the same color. What brand is this? Estee Lauder. Like my sister and mom got these from their Ipsy bags. This notebook is in here because I was doing your guys' raffle drawings from here for the giveaway. That I don't need that in there. I can put that back in the kitchen. So hair stuff, I like this. It's not my absolutely favorite because I feel like it kind of makes my hair feel a little bit funny. I got lashes. Lashes can go in there. Some of these colors I'm like, I don't even need. I have like mascaras. That's a lip color. My all-time favorite mascara. Put that in there. Lip liners. More lashes. I originally had bought those lashes to sell, but I just really like the fact that I can have new lashes every single time that I'm getting ready. Highlighter, that can stay in there. A pen, that can go back to the kitchen. Pen. Blush, I love this blush. It's color Party. You probably have it, I'm so sure. But I hate individual eyeshadows because I feel like I'm just never going to use them. Bless you, baby. Okay. e.l.f. seriously has the best tweezers for only $1. And these ones I freaking hate. I don't even know like what brand these ones are, but these are definitely going in the trash for sure, for sure, for sure. So, gotta always have your black polish. Like that. So, e.l.f. that. Lotion, I'm gonna put this back in the bathroom. So I'm gonna put these back in the bathroom, organize this stuff, and yeah, good to go.